It is hot. It is hot today. Lord have mercy, why is it so hot? Okay, let's check these out really quick to see if, you know, are these really all that? These are fire. These are fire, and these are going to be a problem for 2021. Really quick too, if you're watching this right now, I know you are, let's make this the most liked video on the channel. The most liked and the most engaged video on the channel, because these are gonna be a problem. Like, for real. Let's check it out, guys. Oh, it's so hot. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Nefred. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you guys are having a very, very blessed day. Now, in today's video, as you can tell from the thumbnail, the title, I got my Nike shirt on, so you know we're reviewing some Nikes. Today, we are going to be taking a look at the Nike Dunk Low in the UNC, aka University Blue colorway. Check them out right here. These are going to be releasing June 24th for a retail price of $100, and I'm actually really excited because anything UNC, if you've been in the sneaker community or you've been in the sneaker game for a while, you know anything UNC color blocking or colorway is an instant seller. So I'm really, really excited. I was able to go ahead and get these early so I can bring this review for you guys. So let's get straight into the review. So a couple things before we go straight into the review. I know I'm stopping the video, I'm sorry, but I really have to just thank you guys and tell you guys that I'm thankful. I am super thankful. We actually hit the personal goal for myself of 500 subscribers on the channel. I think currently we're at 550. Speechless. I am very, very speechless. Like literally, I want to say maybe like 2 days ago, we were at like 516, and now we're at like 554, I think. You guys are amazing. You guys are seriously amazing. I just really want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for the love and the support that you really, really show. As you can tell, I'm really like expressive with my hands, so I'm really apologize, but guys, I just really thank you from the bottom of my heart. I mean, you know, we started at 100 subscribers. Actually, no, like 50 subscribers. I remember when I got my very first 50, and now we're at 500, and it just really, really means a lot. The next big goal that we're going for is 1,000. Oh, I can't believe I'm actually saying that. We're going for 1,000, so you know, I just really want to take the time out to, before we actually go into the review, which is to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart, because it really means a lot. And you know, the support that you guys give really allows me to keep going, like seriously, like really, 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 really so much. So I really do appreciate you. Thank you so much. So let's get straight into the review. I don't want to waste any more time because I know these University Blues are really, really sick. So really quick too, if you haven't, make sure you like the video and subscribe because it really helps out a ton. As well, if you're new to the channel, I always like to be color coordinated with the product that we're reviewing. The product that we're going to be looking at is that UNC, like I said, blue, so it is going to be white and University Blue, and I always try to match it with the headband. So we're going to get the headband on really quick so we can go ahead and go straight into them. Let's go. Okay, we're back. We got our UNC headband on. Now we can take a good look into them. So first and foremost, let's go ahead and actually get our knife so we can go ahead and cut into these babies. Like I said, these will be releasing June 24th, which is actually this Thursday. Retail price is going to be $100 for these, and I was able to go ahead and pick these up from Go. I did pay to play because I did want to get these out early for you guys. I would have got them a little bit earlier, but I had a couple things going on that I could not go ahead and get them, so I do apologize about that. Also, really quick, I don't think I've mentioned, I am outside and the wind is kind of, you know, it's really, really windy today, so I do apologize, but let's look into them right now. So we're gonna go ahead and start off by taking the tissue off really quick, and then let's go ahead and remove it out the packaging. Thank you, box. Put the box right there, and then we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna read you guys the size tag right now. So size tag does read Nike Dunk Low Retro, white, University Blue, white. I did get a 10.5. When it comes to sizing with dunks too, I feel like I don't mention this enough. I do leave it in the descriptions, but just in case you want additional information, I usually go, whatever you are in Air Jordan 1s or Air Force 1s, go that size, because dunks fit exactly the same. So let's, you know what, no. Let's actually look at this together. I'm gonna give you guys kind of a, like I said, a better perspective or an overview. We're gonna pull this back together. The box is just your standard regular dunk box that it usually comes in, all red, and then you do have the Nike logo smack in the middle. So let's go ahead and pry these open for all of us to see. And 3, 2, 1, Lift. Okay, we do got the GOAT verification sticker right there. I'm gonna set this right here, and then we do have the GOAT sticker right there. Thank you, GOAT. And then we're gonna go ahead and peel these back. 3, 2, 1. There they go right there. The UNC Dunk Low. Let me go ahead and get these out first. Got the left. Then let me go ahead and get out the, hold on, the right, and then we're gonna go straight into this review. Ooh, that wind is obnoxious today. I really do apologize, but I wanted to, you know, film out here so you guys can really capture these together. So here we go right here. These are the Nike Dunk Low University Blue, AKA UNC. What do you guys think about them right there? I'm just showing you guys kind of like a little bit of a small overview that way before we actually dive into them. So let's look at the left pair first. So as you can see right here, these are the UNC Dunk Lows. If you go over, starting at the outsole, you do have that University Blue at the outsole. You do have the Nike dead center and the logo right there. Looking at the midsole, you do have your white, marshmallow white midsole. Looking at the side panel, it is white, and you do have that UNC Blue swoosh. Looking at the heel of it, you do have the Nike logo and stitched right there in white. Very, very beautiful. Hold on, there is a fly, and I am sorry. Hold on. I'm sorry. Hold on. All right, I'm back. So where were we? Like I said, we were at the Nike heel. Looking at the back, you have the stitched Nike logo. As you go to the very front of the, man, these are so beautiful, man. These are so very, very beautiful. As you go to the front, you do have a white plush toe box. You do have your UNC blue laces. Then as you go up to the Nike tag right there, you do have that Nike with the swoosh, and it is in that UNC blue. Looking at the insole right here, let me go ahead and put these laces back. You do get that Nike, what's it called? For the insole, you do get that Nike logo right there. Very, very clean. I like these a lot. I'm telling you, these are gonna be a big, big problem. Like a huge problem, honestly. If you remember as well, this year they released something very, very similar to this, but it was in women's. It was the Nike Dunk Low Women's Coast, and basically they're the exact same thing. Only thing different is on your, what's it called? Some of the details, like right here, the Nike logo is actually gold, and then the Nike insole, the actual tag, is gold as well, and then the actual Nike tag on the front of the tongue is gold. I'm actually gonna put a picture right here so you guys can actually see that. And very, very fire. I think it's pretty cool how they went ahead and they released. You just knew though, you just knew that an all UNC Dunk Low was gonna come out this year. I saw that they actually are doing a high version of these as well, so that's really cool. I will probably try to get my hands on them to bring the review out for you guys. But there they go right here though. These are the Nike Dunk Low University Blue. Telling you June 24th is when these will be releasing for $100 exactly. So if you are going for them, let me know. I wish I could say these are going to be easy to go after, but I mean, Dunk is such a, you know, Nike Dunks are just such a demanding sneaker. You already know, bots, grandmas, granddads, all types of people are gonna be going for them. So this is gonna be a very instant seller. But comment down below and let me know what you think of these Nike Dunk Low UNCs. I definitely am gonna be keeping these for sure. These are not gonna be sold ever. Gonna give you guys an on-feet review really quick. Let me go ahead and break away to an overview. So check them out right there. I know. These are flame. These are honestly really, really flame. I do love the details on these, especially when you look into, it's just simple. It's very simple. You got your light blue and then you got your white, you know, anything UNC, like I always say, it's gonna sell out, y'all. It's just going to sell out. It's just simple as that. So like I said, comment down below and please let me know if you're going to be going after these. I really want to engage with you guys. That's something that's really big on the channel. I love doing that. It's just something I really, really do enjoy. So guys, this is going to conclude the video of the Nike Dunk Low University Blue. Comment down below, let me know, will you be going after these June 24th, Thursday, $100 exactly, full family size run. So there's going to be extended sizes for this. So I pray that everybody that wants them, honestly, you get them. I really, really do. I'm really excited I was able to get this early for you guys. We have a lot more dunks coming for the channel. I'm really, really working hard to get these reviews out for you guys, man. I really am. I mean, you know, sometimes I can't get them out when I really want to, but you know, I'm trying my best to just be as consistent as possible for you guys, as well as helping you guys out too, you know. It's one thing I wanted to go ahead and state. At the last video that I did of the panda dunk highs, you guys went insane on. You guys are going crazy. You guys are showing so much love, and I do appreciate it. A lot of you guys were asking me questions, you know, like, where did I get them, you know, what's my input, and I just love that so much. So guys, please keep that up. Honestly, like I said, we're now on the race to 1,000 subscribers, and I just know we're definitely gonna get there. I think, honestly, I'm no thinking, I want to do something special for that milestone, because that is a big milestone, especially, you know, for the channel. So just keep showing me guys love and support, guys. I will try my best to drop these videos as much as I can for you guys. Like I said, comment down below, let me know if you will be going for these. I'm gonna break away to the on-feet review. Like always, guys, this is your kid Neff, right? I will see you guys in the next video. Remember, there's only ever gonna be one you, so please be the best you. Please be the best you. All right, guys, I will catch you in the next video. Peace.